Did you know that some of the biggest players in traditional finance, from hedge funds to asset managers, are now looking to get into crypto? But for them, it's not as simple as downloading an app and buying some Bitcoin. They need a whole different level of service, security, and regulation. And that's exactly why Kraken, one of the oldest and most trusted names in the crypto space, is making a major move. Rocket. What is Kraken Institutional? Kraken has launched a new brand called Kraken Institutional, which is essentially a one-stop shop for all things crypto for big money clients. Think of it as a VIP lounge for institutions looking to dip their toes into the digital asset world. This isn't just a single new product, it's a strategic move to bundle existing services into a dedicated offering. It's Kraken's way of saying, we've been doing this for over a decade, and we're ready for you. Key features of Kraken Institutional. Trading, access to Kraken's deep liquidity and sophisticated trading tools, including over-the-counter, OTC, trading for large, private transactions. Custody, a regulated, qualified custody service provided by Kraken Financial, a state-chartered bank in Wyoming. This is a huge deal because it meets the strict requirements that institutional investors need to hold assets. Financing and yield, the ability to borrow against assets, earn rewards on holdings, and manage capital efficiently. Support, a dedicated, 24/7 account management team with deep expertise in crypto. Export to sheets. Why does this matter? This move is a massive step in bridging the gap between traditional finance and crypto. For years, institutional investors have been hesitant to fully commit to crypto due to concerns about regulation, security, and the lack of professional-grade infrastructure. Kraken's new unit directly addresses these concerns. By offering a regulated custody service through its bank charter, Kraken is providing a level of trust that most retail-focused exchanges can't. It's a signal to the broader financial world that crypto is maturing and that there are now safe, compliant ways to engage with the asset class. This could potentially lead to a flood of new capital entering the market, which is great news for the entire crypto ecosystem. Think of it like this: if crypto was a Wild West frontier, Kraken is now building a secure, well-lit city for the traditional finance cowboys. The approval of Bitcoin ETFs has already sparked a ton of interest, and now, Kraken is providing the infrastructure to support that demand. It's a smart play that positions them not just as an exchange, but as a full-service partner for the next wave of institutional adoption. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.